I start by brushing the eyebrow upward using the spoolie brush. Then I use the Spac eyebrow definer. It has 3 different colors. I use all 3, but I use the black a little less than the others. Don't use only black shade. Then I start filling in. I draw a line underneath the front part of my eyebrow with this, and then I start filling in the sparse areas of the eyebrow. As my eyebrow is already thick, I just fill in the sparse areas. Then in the front section, I draw this upward strokes mimicking hair growth. I don't draw a rectangle in the front section, or else it looks very harsh or it may look unnatural. Then I fill in the remaining product on the brush and fill in the end of the eyebrow. Then I use the same technique on the other eyebrow as well, and I fill in the eyebrow. As my eyebrow is very dark and thick, so I only fill in the sparse areas. That's how I fill in my eyebrows, and just run the spoolie through to distribute the product evenly. And that is how I fill in my eyebrows. You can also check out my previous video from this section here. Bye.